Good morning and welcome to today's Brief Market Outlook. My name is Edmund. So for today's economic calendar, it's going to look a little bit more busy. Starting at 3 p.m., we will be having Spain's Flash Consumer Price Index data, followed by the M4 Money Supply data from the UK at 4:30 p.m. Towards the US sessions tonight, we will be having the goods trades balance numbers at 8:30 p.m. and at 9 p.m. we will be having the House Price Index from the S&P and Case-Shiller Composite Report. Tonight we will be having three FOMC members speaking, starting with Mr. John Williams at 9:15 p.m. and then Mr. Patrick Harker at 9:30 p.m. and finally another key FOMC member speaking at 11:40 p.m. which will be Mr. Richard Clarida. So towards 10 p.m. we will be having the consumer confidence data from the US. Looking at the US dollar index yesterday, the US dollar retreated from a 2-month high against a basket of currencies, and of course yesterday European Central Bank President Mr. Christine Lagarde was speaking at 9:45 p.m. and she mentioned that the ongoing 1.35 trillion emergency pandemic stimulus package was having a very good impact on the economy. So domestic politics will also play a role today or for this week as presidential candidates Mr. Donald Trump and Democrat nominee Joe Biden will be having a sort of a live televised political debate tonight from the US. So moving on to the US dollar index, we do see the US dollar index after rising last week for 5 market days. Yesterday it pulled down from 94.65 all the way to a low of 94.13. As the US dollar was weakening yesterday, we do see the UK pound rising from over here as early as 10 a.m. from 1.2750 levels all the way to a high of 1.2930 levels. So this was about 180 pip movement up, and then after that it came down from 1.2930 back down to 1.2828, coming down another 100 pips. Okay, so very nice movement and volatility. And also for the euro dollar, it also strengthened from 1.1615 all the way to 1.1677, moving up 60 pips. And of course for gold prices, it found very good support at 1,850 levels and started to move up all the way to a high of 1,882, going up 32 US dollars. Okay, oil prices just marginally improved yesterday, going up by about 93 cents. And of course we have the S&P 500 continuing to strengthen ever since last Friday from a support levels of 3,220. For yesterday, the S&P 500 continued to strengthen from 3,302 all the way to a high of 3,360. So again, very exciting start to the week for yesterday, and of course for today we are still expecting the same high volatility, high volume trading on the markets leading up towards this Friday's non-farm payrolls data. So I hope you guys have a good trading day ahead and happy trading.